Hi, okay, I'm back in the office now. I've collated all the data and processed it, so it's now available on the Rock Cloud. So why don't we check out what we've got. Right, this is the point cloud which we created earlier today in Bishop Stortford. As you can see, the level of detail is amazing. We're looking at around 800 points per square metre have been measured here. This will be confirmed in the accuracy report, which the client will receive along with their CAD and GIS deliverables. If you're looking for contours, we can normally get these back to you within 1 to 2 working days. For classifications, this is normally 4 to 5 working days. However, if you need anything urgently, we do offer a fast track service. So while the client is waiting for their deliverables to be emailed across, they can of course utilise some of the features on the Rock Cloud which we give them access to. So why don't we check out a few of the amazing measurement tools on that platform now.